Hello everybody, it's the 27th of July today, and this is my emerald lace Japanese maple that was originally bought as a little supermarket tree for, I forget exactly, I think it was about a £5, $4.99, something like that. It's been growing away quite strongly, but for some reason it's already started to colour up as if it's autumn. And then at the back here I suddenly noticed an entire branch has just died off back to the trunk, and I've no idea why. Let's remove it anyway. It's just completely dead. No life left whatsoever, which is a bit odd, a bit worrying. I lost a few trees to this in the winter that we've just had, and well, I think it was a combination of the really hot summer followed by the really cold winter months, or we had some really sharp frosts, which in my part of the world we were not used to. I think -9 on one occasion, where I can't ever remember it being -9. I know to some people that doesn't seem cold, but to me it felt blooming cold. But anyway, we'll be making this a timey-wimey video, and we'll check in on it in a month or so, see what it's doing. It's the 22nd of October today, and my emerald lace is beginning to display some autumn colours. Some of the foliage is bronzing off, the tips are turning red. I don't know how well that's showing up. It's stubbornly remaining kind of low and squat, but that's okay. I quite like it anyway. I think this is my front. I like this interesting piece of movement here, although this has a certain something also. Either way, I'm hoping that Father Christmas might bring me something suitable pot-wise for it come Christmas, and then obviously the tree can go into it in the spring. Sid, are you talking any kind of sense today? Well, kind of, but not really. The usual sort of sense that I often spout. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a glimpse of the turnings of the colour, and circumstances allow, I'll show you some more as it colours up some more. Okay, so it's the 14th of November now, and the emerald lace is completely belying the name emerald lace. Should have the name ruby in there somewhere, I would have thought, but there you go. I'll just give you a quick 360. I'm gonna make this the last video I upload for a little while. Very little going on in the bonsai world, and quite a lot going on in real life, so it may even be post-Christmas before I come back and post something again. I hope you'll bear with me, and I will keep you posted via the usual social media, Twitter, X, whatever it's called, and on the community tab here. So say, I really do appreciate each and every one of you take the time to watch my videos. Do all the usual YouTube things, like, subscribe, comment below, and most of all, please stay safe everybody. Happy holidays.